Today we are come to review the Infinix Hot 10T.
Drop it like it's hot.
No more drop it and I'm feeling because right from the launch I realized that Infinix Hot 10T is the real deal.
Wow.
It has a 6.82 HD plus big video gaming display.
Hey.
Now no sa no board game out me feeling because anti-set phones be a crash adi. Screen kit we be who the oya who. Screen is so tele to board game out me feeling.
Now I'm 5,000 mAh battery. You can't feel it.
Okay.
It's a job. Stand for question.
I didn't.
Jai. It's me Facebook.
Okay.
Snapchat. Instagram. Share videos on YouTube. You have the Netflix are breaking. Many my boys. It's a new battery.
It also has a Helio G70 gaming CPU that makes it super fast for all gaming pleasures. Now when no board game, I say ya no phone see be a bar na freezy. I say all the phone na she free. There be them now they in Hot 10T. How can something hot freeze?
I'm 48 MP triple rear camera in the mini and input.
Okay.
We try videos and pictures. I show you Instagram for. That's a crack. That's a crack. That's a crack. This mean I know what we try feeling.
Then let's not waste time. Let's unbox the Infinix Hot 10T and see what is truly in there. We are black. Omo randy green, purple, as our heart of ocean. Now yen so phone near it.
Okay. Nice.
Phone near so no. Infinix need dear dance away. So when it comes like this, all you have to do is press start.
Okay.
No at what settings this way free. Phone no tonswa and then the charger back.
Nice.
The earpiece. And the phone cover. Happen.
Wow.
No more Saturday. Screen protector pills. Now phone when so a Samsung of 4 gig RAM and a 64 gig memory space.
Now price ne
788 Ghana cedis per.
Wow, shit. Another one. RAM near 4 gig. Now memory space so 128. Now price so 888 Ghana cedis per.
And you say a fast kaya. Infinix Hot 10T. Become a Hot 10. TC Tower. And I make one.
Hey, one man boss. Hey, now try me.